111 days. Okay, 112 days mga kapatid. Day 113. And here's our 114 days of our Ipon Challenge. 115 days. Yun na nga guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Daddy James Tivo Archer Series and welcome to my day 120 for our Crazy Ipon Challenge. Yan. So sa another 10 days na aking pag-ipon, nakabuo tayo ng 20, 40, 60, 65. Yan. So naka 600 naka 65 euro tayo. So guys, magkita-kita tayo sa another 10 days ng aking Ipon Challenge. Okay, let's go.